In this video, I'll show you how to insert color swatches to your Frameship store. I'm Monique from Insert Frame. Let's go. So in Frameship, you have the option to change your product variant selector to color swatches. So when you select a color, it also updates the product type and it also updates the image here as well. Let's go into our Shopify store first to see how this is set up. So here I am in my Shopify store and in my products. All you need to do is scroll down to your variant section, add in the option color, and then add in the option values that you have for each one. Also make sure that when it comes down the bottom here that you've selected the correct image for that color. So for navy, this is a navy one, and for black, it's got the black selected here. Once that's all done, you can sync it back in your Frameship store in Framer, and we'll go back there to set it up. So now that we're back in our Framer project, we can sync up the color swatches. So what I need to do is go into the plugin and into components, into products, and scroll down and go to the variant color swatches component. And I can just drag that in to the layer here. What I need to do first is connect the Shopify data, the variant image mapping, as well as the variant options. Now that I've got color as the type, you'll see here there's a few different options, but the color is the one we want. We can then map our color here. This is a manual process, so just be aware of that as well. So what I need to do is go into here and add in the name exactly as I put in Shopify. And you can make the color swatch itself any different color you like. Then I'm going to add in my black. So now that I've added in my color mapping, I'm also just going to go down to the filter type, because at the moment it's picking up all the different variants, so the colors and the sizes. And I just want to change that to contains down here, and the filter group itself is color. Once I put that in, it's showing here. One other thing to note is that if you have different products with different colors, you'll need to map all the different colors in here. So they'll only show the colors that are connected to that product at one time, so that's all fine. So when I need to add in a different color here, I can just open this back up. So I have white in my store. I also have green in my store. And I also have cream. And as you go through the different products, you can see that the colors will automatically update depending on which ones are available for those ones. And that's how we do it. Now you have color swatches in your Frameship store.